Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to delete your SoundCloud account on both phone and PC. Alright? If you want to do it on your PC, just go ahead and go to soundcloud.com. Now once you're in here, click on the three dots right here at the top right. Click on it. Now in here, in these options, just locate settings right here at the bottom near sign out. Click on it. Now in here, in account tab, scroll down until you see delete account. All right, right here at the very bottom. Just click on it and there will be a prompt. Just go ahead and select your reason. Then once done, tick on the tick box right here. Yes, I want to delete my account and all my tracks, comments, and stats. Once done, just click on it and you'll be good to go. Now on phone, you can do this by tapping on the library right here. All right, then go to settings here in the gear icon at the top right near your profile. Tap on settings. In here, just tap on your account. Tap. As you can see here, there's an available button which is called delete account. Tap on it. As you can see here, same prompt. This will delete your account and all your tracks, comments, and stats. Just go ahead and hit on delete account. Tap on it and hit on delete my account. All right, as you can see here, we have been redirected to the startup page of SoundCloud, and that's basically how you do it. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.